This video is in response to JD Vintage Auto asked about the canted valve setups and stuff. I just grabbed a big block Chev that I had here to show. Basically, it's just spacer collars. They're little sleeves. The Chevy's only got one because it's a 15 degree, and you drop it in one side and it puts the head at the right angle. So I could now my plane is correct. I can machine these, and then you got to swap it around. That's where it gets time consuming. That's the big block Chevy. There's only one adapter, and I believe it's the same for all heads. As long as you put the duct feet, one valve in the middle, and it puts you at the right geometry. As far as the adapters that I have, I get a set of Vegas, which are long standoffs, the old overhead cam Vega to clear the cam tunnel. And I get 351 modified Midland, whatever you call it, Cleveland, Boss 302, and a big block Ford. There's an intake and an exhaust because they're different angles. And they're just collars. I mean, you can just turn them up on a lathe. If you had the dimensions, you could easily turn them on a lathe. They slip into the top of the duct foot and they just space it. That's all it is a spacer. So you could always make them. If you need the dimensions, hit me up. If you really start getting into it, I'll measure mine up and stuff. Either that or maybe try Beam Equipment. He might have some for sale. I see him every now and then on eBay. But, it's doable. You just got to, if you got a lathe, you can kind of do whatever you want. Hopefully that answers the question.